While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Breath of life. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed and your spine tall. Rest your hands on your knees and take slow, steady breaths, feeling calm and centered. Hero pose. Sit on your heels with your knees together and feet slightly apart. Keep your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Breathe deeply and let your body settle into calm focus. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, reaching toward your feet. Keep your back long and breathe softly into the stretch. Cat pose. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch along your back and neck. Bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press your feet into the mat and lift your hips upward. Keep your shoulders grounded and breathe deeply, feeling your chest open and spine lengthen. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with your palms under your shoulders. As you inhale, press into your hands and gently lift your chest off the mat. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Half Lord of the Fishes pose. Sit tall with your legs extended, then bend one knee and place the foot outside the opposite thigh. Twist toward the bent knee, placing your opposite elbow outside it. Lengthen your spine as you inhale and deepen the twist as you exhale. Standing forward fold. From standing, hinge at your hips and fold your torso over your legs. Let your head and neck relax completely and keep a slight bend in your knees if needed. Feel the stretch along your spine and hamstrings.